So guys, this is the video I made before on how to turn your hibiscus to butter. So I will leave the video at the description box below for you to go and check it out. Hi guys, how you doing? Happy week to you guys. So today I will be doing this DIY hibiscus, show you guys how you can make your hibiscus oil at home. So if you have not watched that video how I blend this to this powder form, so I will leave the link at the description box below. Just go and check it and get the idea on how you can make it a powder form. So now I'm just going to add olive oil to my jug. There's already hibiscus powder inside, so I'm going to add olive oil to that now. So guys, I've already added olive oil to this. You can use any oil of your choice, so you can use any oil of your choice. So I'm just decided to use olive oil because I love olive oil. Okay. So now after adding the olive oil, I'm just going to mix everything together just like so. So just make sure you mix everything so that the oil and the hibiscus powder can mix together very well. To my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming, and if you are new here, you are also welcome. Thank you so much for coming. So don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and also share with your friends and family. So if the oil is not enough, you can add more to it because I'll be using mine for multiple reasons, not just on my hair. Okay, so that's why I want it to be much like this. So after adding that, I'm just going to also mix everything together very well. So if you just subscribe to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. I do not take your love for granted. So now I'm just going to just allow this to sit. So this is how the oil is looking like now. I'm just going to cover it and set it aside. So that day I could not film how I put it on hot water because I was busy. So this is the next day. Now I'm going to show you how you will do it next. How you will do. So if you want to do this oil, you need to put it on hot water so that the oil will heat up, and then you are going to be infusing it. You don't need to put it inside, as in, you don't need to put it on gas just direct like that. So since you are going to be infusing it, when you put it inside a jug like this, you put it on top of hot water so that the hot water will heat up the oil, and the hibiscus will release a nutrient inside the oil. So that is how you will infuse your oil to any oil that you want to infuse. So now this is how the color is looking like. This is just the next day, and everything is looking so beautiful already. So I'm just going to infuse this for 7 days or more. So you can infuse this for 7 days or more, depends on how you can have patience for this to infuse. 7 days to 8 days is just fine for me. As you can see, everything I've already released inside the oil, so I just decided to just take out the oil and start using it already because everything is already inside the oil. So now I'm just going to take this my little filter, so filter or strainer, whatever they call it. So there's a little bowl under it, so I'm just going to take out the oil out of the hibiscus powder just the way you see me doing. So this is so beautiful, guys. Hibiscus has a lot of benefit for our hair and also for our skin. I am making this video based focusing on using it on my skin, like my face and my chest. There's kind of dark spot on my one side of my face, and then on my chest because of the kind of reaction to the cream that I use. So that is why I am making this oil. I'm also going to be using it on my hair also, so that's why I decided to make it this much, because I'll be using it for multiple reasons. So it's really good to take to get rid of dark spots on your face, on your body, anywhere you have dark spot. This oil is good to kind of get rid of dark spots, also promotes hair growth, also minimize frizz from your hair. has it has a lot of benefit that you can benefit from this oil. Okay, just give it a try. As you can see how dark and reddish this oil really look like when you infuse it like this. Every benefit inside the hibiscus is going to release itself inside the oil. Like, just see how beautiful that color look already. So guys, this is good. If you want to make your hibiscus oil, just do it this way. Infuse it instead of cooking it, boiling it, and doing all that stuff. So for you not to kill the nutrients and the benefits at the process of cooking it, just infuse it like this, and everything is going to be inside your oil, and your oil is going to work marvelously for your body and your hair. Guys, this is going to be from my hair to my toe. I'm going to be using it from my head to my toe. It also help to lighten your dark spots, help to take care of your skin, beautify your skin, and make your skin look so beautiful and smooth, which is so good, guys. So it's not going to be greasing on your skin. So you can see me rubbing it on my hand. It's not going to be greasing. Like, when you just rub it, just give yourself some few minutes and everything is just going to work on your skin. Like, you will not even remember that you rub something on your skin. It's not going to be greasing at all. Just give it a try. Also on your hair, going to help to take care of dandruff. If you have been battling with dandruff, just make this oil and you are going to love it. Split end, damaged hair, slow to grow, like many benefits that you can get from this oil, guys. Many benefits. So now, this is how my oil is looking like. This is the hibiscus powder. I'm not going to be throwing it away. I'll be using it to scrub my face, which is really helping me to get rid of that my stubborn black spot black spot that is on my face and on my chest, and it's really doing the work for me. So I will be keeping that to use it on my to scrub my face and my body. So you see, this is a multiple benefit that you can get from this. You use the oil and you also use the powder to scrub your body. Okay, so you can see how beautiful this oil look. You can see, so nice, guys. I love this oil. I love the color so much. The color is so dark and reddish, like oh my goodness. So now that's the one that I'll be using on my hair. I'm just going to keep that one aside. So this is my anti serum bottle. So I'm going to transfer this inside. So I'll be using this one on my face, my body, everywhere, every part of my body. So I'll be using this one as my body oil. So it's so good, guys. Give it a try and you are going to love it. It's going to brighten your skin, like natural skin brightener. So yeah, it's a natural skin brightener and it's going to leave your skin so beautiful, and you are going to grow to the glory of the Lord. Okay, guys, let me stop ranting. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, everything is well made, so well infused hibiscus oil, multiple benefits for your hair and your skin. You can use the powder to scrub your face, so to scrub your body and your face everywhere, and everything will be fine. Guys, just look at that color, so beautiful. Like, I really love this thing. There's nothing not good about this oil. Everything is so good about this oil. Just use it and you will love it. Like, your body will be growing to the glory of the Lord for this Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. If you like, give me a thumbs up, share with your friends and family. Happy holiday and happy